Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. On this one, we're finally going to be doing something on the R32. I'm not actually going to be doing anything, but we are getting the rear window professionally installed. This part of the project goes way back, so if anyone was watching the R32 build when I originally smashed the rear window, which was a real shame, because little did I know, they're freaking expensive. They're like around 2K for a rear window for an R32 apparently. So I got this one for an awesome deal. It was about 400 bucks removed. And yeah, if anyone was back then, put in the comments that you're an OG because you've been around for a while. And if anyone remembers that, I was very sad on the day. I didn't realize how much I stuffed up, but I did stuff up. So I've got Speedy Auto Glass coming out very shortly, and they're gonna put the rear window in there. They need to tidy up around the edge here because there's a bit of glass still stuck in there. And we're gonna have a rear window installed. I've got this new one over here. Brad went up and grabbed it for me. The apprentice Brad went up and grabbed it from Brisbane for me last night. And yeah, we got a rear window here, guys. And then we got a front window under there for Xavier's 32, which is really exciting. The way, also, just a tip, if you're ever removing the rear window, you pretty much want to get it done professionally, because the R32s especially, they have a windscreen wiper motor here, and the nut that's on there is all seized up on most of them, just the way the water runs down and collects. So yeah, kind of a stitch up, and then it shattered when I tried to take it off. Bloody battery just died. I hope that clip was not cut off. So this is a very exciting moment. What we are about to do is remove the unveiling of the bonnet and lower the car onto the ground, onto the wheels. Hopefully it rolls. And we're gonna move it from here to there. For the first time in a long time, this car is coming off the hoist. Amazing, absolutely amazing. It's going back on the hoist straight after, but the window guy wants it out here, so we're gonna move it out here. And yeah, let's record the process. I don't know if you guys have had a window done, but we're gonna film it and see what it's all about. So let's get it off the hoist. Holy shit. Hectic. Alright, this is hectic. Taking the sheets off. RB25 looking there nice and pretty. Damn, it's gonna be so cool to see it in the sun for the first time. Still got a little bit of sun. Alright, let's get it down.
You won't be going through Macca's right, that's for sure.
So, Skyline is out in the sun for the first time. Look at it. Oh my god, it looks so good. It looks so freaking good, man. I'm actually pumped as. Holy shit. It was actually difficult to get it from there to there because I couldn't get it off the freaking hoist easily. It rolled forward and got stuck with the arms. This is the glass here. Got Speedy Auto Glass. And yeah, it's actually like really light too. These things are worth a freaking fortune. So got the professional in to get it sorted, mate. But yeah, I'll chuck you in a little time lapse here and you can watch the process. Hopefully I don't run out of freaking battery. The battery's playing up on this camera. But yeah, he's gonna put a uni mold in here and fit it up. Let's go.
Don't worry, baby, we gon' be alright. It's okay, baby, I'ma hit it right. Worked on what we wanted, up together all night. But still for some reason we can't see eye to eye. And to my surprise, the whole time you with another guy, I find out and I let it.
Alright, just like that, we have a new rear window installed. So now we can get rego. It's fully legal. Fully legit, mate. Fully legit. I'm actually like so freaking pumped. Like, it didn't cost me too much money in the end, but I do wish I never broke that window because it's expensive learning curve. But just got to chuck on this last little rear panel that I think I have up there, block the hole, and she's good to go. And just like that, the 32 is back inside. That's pretty sad. Pretty much just a little update on it. I haven't really worked on it because I've been working on the Subaru, as you know, if you watch all the episodes. But I did get this power steering line sorted. So it's a high pressure line that goes from the rack, or the pump, sorry, around to the rack. And man, bit of a stuff around on that one. I might tell you later. But yeah, so we got the high pressure line in, we got the return line, and the line that goes around to the bottom of the pump. So it's power steering pretty much done. Just got to polish that up and mount it, and then that'll be done, tighten everything. Power steering, check off the list. Next thing I think I'm going to be doing on this is the trigger kit on the front. So I'll take that back off, mount that, and then after that I can do the catch can lines and like properly mount the rocker covers. And yeah, should be engine bay getting close to being finishing.
Keen. It's exciting as fuck.
Yeah, I've kind of been like putting off doing the wiring because it's like scary as, and I got to a point where I was like, shit, I don't actually know what I'm doing. So yeah, it's a work in progress, but I'm not working on it.
Totally. That's fair. I mean, it's interesting times at the moment anyway.
Yeah.
But it'd be cool because it's a last. I mean, I just have to extend that cooler pipe, and then you do your wiring, and it's not far away from actually going.
That's actually really cool.
So good.
And it's the first time we got to see it like on the ground.
Yeah.
Proper low. It's got no body kit on it, and it's low.
Yeah. It's sick.
Well, it's not low for your standard, sorry.
Oh.
And you're completely black there.
Yeah. I mean, it's definitely low. Can go a little low in the rear, but you might have to raise it something.
I want to put side skirts on it, and like, I don't know about the aftermarket front bar yet. Like, I don't know if I want to run aftermarket or like a fiberglass R32 GTR bonnet, bar. Because like I like the look of it, but
Is
they
your
don't
bonnet
sit
you
down
got,
low.
does it have, is it a GTR style bonnet?
Wait, let's put the bonnet on, it is.
Yeah, well then you have to run the
Oh, no, it's up there. We'll just not
like
do that.
that.
Yeah, no, we won't do that today. Yeah, no, it's a GTR style. But I was going to cut my fiberglass one that's like some other brand.
Yeah, okay, and then just run a grill.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some sort of grill.
I like it.
But yeah, work in progress. I'm going to get back to doing other things now, sadly.
I like it. Oh, it's a little wee for the meantime. Cool.
Should we quickly look at your 32?
Yeah, sure. It's got a windscreen, yeah.
Yeah, let's have a look.
It's got a windscreen. Sitting in there.
Mate, it's got a windscreen.
It's got a windscreen.
It's almost roadworthy.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to be road legal.
Why is there just shit all over the ground?
Because it was all inside the car and I had to take it out because I was doing the most ghetto rust repair.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think someone shut it. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so what have you got here, mate?
I got myself a piece of shit.
Yeah, legit. Legit. It's a good piece of shit.
It's a good piece of shit.
It's an R32 Skyline piece of shit.
Today I did the most dodgy, like I have the tools and partially the knowledge to do it properly, but for some reason I didn't. So I bogged up the roof with sticker flex.
Sticker flex?
Body sealer, same.
Sticker flex.
Same shit.
Are you sure you want to show this?
Not really, but it's pretty fun. So pretty much I just glued a piece of metal to the bottom of it. And then...
That was a hole in the roof all the way through.
Yeah.
But now it's not.
Now it's not.
So you fixed it.
Yeah, it fixed me.
Yeah, good. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's got to have some pressure on it, so it's
Yeah, nice.
how good.
It works though.
I mean, this is definitely something I would have done like 2 years ago, and I can't believe I'm doing it now.
Your standards have definitely gotten
They've dropped for
the
this
same.
car. Yeah. Well, the plan is like drive this car until it. Yeah, show how fucked it is. Show the reason why I've done that. Like, if you look all around the window, it's all swelling on every window.
I didn't even know that.
It's fucked. Like this car, look there. It's all like. There's no saving it. Like
Yeah, why is it
windscreen,
like
it's
that
just
though?
like-
Why is
it's
it?
just rust. Like,
It was sitting in the bush for how many years?
4 years.
4 years, just sitting in the
a
weather.
forest.
Yeah,
Non-rolling.
actual forest.
Yeah, and I got it for free. So like,
It's a good deal.
it's a good deal. Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
so there's every panel is not good.
It's fucked. So I'm literally not gonna paint it,
Yeah.
and then just enjoy it for a bit, and then after that, get a new 32 shell, pull everything out, put that into a nice shell. So it's just like a fun throw around car. Drive it absolutely railed and just like enjoy it.
Yeah, legit, it's proper railed. Like, this thing won't make it out the driveway at all. Like, it's like on the ground.
You gotta pump the tyres up, mate.
You pump them up a lot.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have front
They'll
coilovers in it, but that's the height that it'll be in the front, because it's quite high in the front.
Yeah, it's quite high.
Yeah. But the rear's like sacked.
Yeah, the rear has coilovers, eh?
Yeah, they're just maxed.
That's just stupid low.
Actually, no, they're
With-
not. We raised it.
We raised it?
Stuck there. and I had
Oh,
to
that's
raise it.
right. But it's just because the wheels are so small, hey?
Yeah, because they're 14s with a
14.
14 by 10 neg 40 with a like a 185 on it.
Yeah, wow.
185/60
Wow.
stretchy boy.
It's like my trailer wheels.
Yeah, but stretched onto a 10.
Jesus.
Yeah, so it was bloody good.
That's funny as, because my 32 is over there and it's like 18-inch wheels
Done right.
done right.
Yeah,
I don't know about that. Look at the stance on it.
yeah.
Can we zoom on that?
Tough as.
We got a zoom on that? Is that an R32 Skyline?
Should be.
Oh, the zoom works.
Hey.
Man, that looks sick.
Fuck yeah.
Sorry, oh, we're looking at your car and I'm just
No,
zooming in
that's
at mine.
totally- That's cool. I like it.
Mine has taken like a long time and yours is like a couple of weeks.
Yeah.
Throw it
Still
together.
ages away though. I got some James
Yeah.
off wiring, got some wiring off James, so
Yeah, nice.
I have motor to go in it. Oh, show the motor.
Oh yeah, okay.
Because the motor's actually I put time into.
I might edit this out, but we'll we'll come have a look just for maybe like behind the scenes. I know there's only one person that watches the SR stuff, and that's Elijah.
Yeah.
Down the
well,
road.
yeah, it's going NASR and actually cleaned it. Don't worry about the rocker cover. But you can't not look at that and say, man, that's gross. I mean, you can because it's an SR20 and you may not like them, but at least it's clean.
I think it's very clean. It does look very, very, very cool. Definitely. I thought it was painted when you first cleaned it with your toothbrushes.
Yeah, it took like 4 hours.
But then Xavier educated me on how this is like aluminium block and
And head.
it's not painted.
Yeah.
Or it might be painted, but it's
Not
aluminium.
painted. It's genuinely not painted.
It's pretty cool for a little motor. Like, I don't
Yeah.
know. I do need one.
Yeah, totally.
I do
It's cool.
need one.
Like, I'm gonna get cams for it. Stock ECU dropping cams. Like, not tune it. Obviously RTB's down the line and good length, but it should make like 140 horsepower.
Horsepower or kilowatts?
Horsepower.
Horsepower.
Yeah.
Like, what's the point?
What do you mean? Just go faster.
Go faster.
Yeah.
140 horsepower.
Yeah.
I'm keen to see this in the car make 140 horsepower and you drive it. I want to see what happens.
It's got like a 185 on it.
Does that mean like it
it'll
will
have a
just
tiny
drive?
tire. It's got 14, so it like will make more power in a sense compared to if you're running 18s because it's got smaller wheels, lighter, but also it spins faster because of the size. But also, it's gonna be a dog to drive. Like it's gonna be fucking horrible, but it'll be fun.
You just be revving the shit out of it.
Absolutely, limited clutch kicks in second gear
Wow.
with the 4.3 diff.
Yeah, wow.
It'll be shit to drive at QR, but like Rayleigh, it'll be fun as fuck.
You know what's the cool thing about drifting and cars? Just cars.
Yeah.
Like, you are so excited about doing all that.
Yeah,
And I'm really not excited about that.
yeah,
But like, I'm doing something different,
yeah.
but we're both enjoying it.
Yeah, totally.
Like, that's cool.
And it's the same car, but so
Yeah.
different styles.
Yeah.
Like your car will make 3 times the power easily. Like, and on the run engine, like,
Yeah.
it's wild.
And I'm like, my whole thing is like not big power, but response.
Yeah,
And it's like, it is big power compared to yours though.
totally. Yeah,
It's pretty
100%.
funny.
Yeah, it's wild.
Yeah.
It's, I just love how they're the same car. Like, I think that's so cool because it's like the complete opposite.
Yeah, that is cool.
Yeah.
I can't comprehend, like, you're gonna have to be so much better driver to do well in this.
Yeah, but the cool thing about it is I could drive a whole Matsuri and I'd go through maybe a pair of tires.
It is cool.
Like that's literally the goal. Like I just, like, not the goal to go through, but I just want seat time. Like I just want to drive and drive and drive and drive. I can't drive my 13, well I can, but it's just like I destroy a rear bar, a set of side skirts, and go through 3 pairs of tyres.
Yeah.
You'll go through way more tyres.
Oh man, I'm not looking forward to the tyre build on the R32. Like, even like just driving the LS, that doesn't use money tyres.
Yeah.
But it does when you drive it a lot. Yeah. Please stop calling me. It's Brad. Hello. So yeah, that's pretty much a wrap for this one. Kind of extended episode there. Diving into the world of Xavier and his SR R32. Don't know why he's doing that, but he's loving it. Just like I'm loving my RB25 32. Maybe one day I'll have an SR, but not right now. I need to have one freaking working RB first. And yeah, maybe, yeah, I don't know what car I would put the SR in, but anyway, wrap it up here guys. Thanks for watching. Didn't really do a good job of filming the windscreen because I was freaking busy doing other things, building some stuff over there that I haven't showed. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Like the video, drop a comment below, and all you guys that are watching on your Xboxes and TVs and you can't drop comments, I understand that you can't do that, but thanks for watching anyway. Hit the like button because I know you're going to like it, and I'll see you on the next episode. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and yeah, it's getting one step closer to having Rego on the R32.